What can I do for you?
Please design a logo.
Yes, sir.
I need a commercial advertisement.
Why not?
Change the model in this photo.
At your service.
Render it.
Done.
Now the opposite.
Keep it simple.
Transform it.
Whatever you want.
Animate it.
Sure.
I want this video.
Ready.
I have a bit of body pain. A massage, please.
Go yourself.
Do you want to know the name of this all-in-one AI? So stay with me until the end of this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. You might have wondered which AI among all those working in content creation is more practical and worth trying. I think one of the options is definitely Chrome AI, which has a wide range of features and puts your mind at ease in many areas. Let's take a look at a few of them together. I'll start with image to video, which has always been fascinating to me. One thing this AI does really well is simulating fluids. That's why I chose this image, and the result is amazing. Oh wait, something is coming up. Just wow. Okay, let's move on to the next section, text to video. There are many examples of generated files that you can see and get ideas for writing prompts. As you can see, this website has a strong capability in producing commercial videos, and you can use it effectively for advertising. In the Creative Fusion section, you can see some exciting works that are truly beautiful and fascinating. I tried to change the channel logo a bit. There are many details that you can achieve the desired output by modifying them. The result was almost acceptable. Let's take a look at other sections together. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, stay creative.